Assalamualaikum students, this is your English class and I am your teacher Ms. Jazeen. Today our topic is plurals. What are plurals? Plurals means things that are more than one in quantity. We have two things, singular and plural. Singular means one thing and plural means more than one thing. But we have some conditions here. For example, we have to add s to the word to make it plural. For example, ball. So the plural of ball is balls. We add s here. Similarly, book. So we will add s here. Books. So the plural of book is books. But we have some other conditions of it. Those words that ends with ch, sh, double s, x, z or o. Then we will add es to these words. For example, watch. The word watch ends with ch, so we will add es to it. We have another example, dish. The word dish ends with sh, so we will add es to it. Similarly, we have another word, mix. The word mix ends with x, so we will add es to it. Now again we have another rule, that is the rule of y, the letter y. If any word ends with letter y, but before that we have to see the letter before y is a vowel or a consonant. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So if the word before y is a vowel, then we will add s to those words. But if the word ends with y and the word before the y is consonant, then we will remove the y and add ies to it. For example, we have a word key. The word key ends with y, but the letter before y is e, and e is a vowel, so we will directly add s to it. We have another example, baby. The word baby ends with y, but the word or the letter that comes before y is b, and b is a consonant, so we will add ies to it and we will remove y from it. Now you have to keep in your mind all these rules. Now take out page number 55 in your English book. Here you have to complete the words and then you have to add s to these words to make them plural. After that, take out page number 56. Here you have some sentences and pictures are given here. You have to write the singular and the plural of it. After that, take out page number 57. Here you have to add es to all those words that ends with ch, sh, double s, x, z and o. After that, take out page number 58. Here you have to complete this page by adding s or es. We will see whether the word is ending with y and the letter before y is consonant or vowels. Okay, now after that our next topic is conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that link sentences together. If we want to add two words, then we have to add conjunctions to make those two words in a single sentence. For example, we have some conjunctions. I'm going to tell you about it and then we will see how we can use it. For example, number one is and. We use and in a sentence when we are talking about two or more things. If we are talking about I like dogs and we have to write I like cats. By writing it, it's a long sentence. So to make it short, we will write it like this: I like dogs and cats. So and is used to join two sentences where we are talking about more than one thing. Now after that we have another conjunction, or. We use or when we are making a choice or giving a choice of something. For example, we have a sentence, do you like coffee? Do you like tea? So we have to make it in a one sentence because here they are giving you a choice of tea and coffee. So we will make it a sentence like, do you like coffee or tea? So we use or when we have choices of something. Similarly, we have another conjunction, but. We use but when we are comparing about two things. For example, I am tall, my sister is short. So these are two sentences, but here we are comparing that I am tall, my sister is short. We are comparing two people here. So we will add but to it. I am tall, but my sister is short. We have another conjunction, so. We use so when we are giving someone a reason why I am doing this. For example, I was tired, so I went to bed. Here I am explaining I was tired, that is why I went to bed. So I went to bed. So we use so when we are giving explanation about something. We have another conjunction, because. We use because when we are giving reason for something. For example, the cat is happy because he is playing in the park. The cat is happy because he is playing in the park. So we are giving a reason. These are some of the conjunctions that we use to link two sentences together. Now take out page number 59. Here you have to join these words by adding and to these sentences, because we are talking about two or more things. After that, take out page number 60. Here you have to use conjunction and but you have to figure it out where we have to use and where we have to use but. After that, take out page number 61. Here you have to read the sentences and their choices are given. So you have to choose the correct conjunction for the correct sentence. Thank you.